Welcome to The Buzz, where we bring you leaders in dental education discussing hot topic courses and industry trends. I'm your host, Vanessa Emerson, founder of Dental Speakers Bureau, and today we're with Sherry Preby. Thanks for being here, Sherry.
Hi, Vanessa.
Let me tell you a little bit about Sherry. In recognition of her oral cancer study, Sherry was honored with the prestigious World Dental Hygiene Award in Research. In fact, since 2003, Sherry has researched the lifestyle risk habits of the Vietnamese through an annual working visit. Additionally, her technology presentations empower the dental hygienist to provide a full spectrum of the highest quality services available for our patients. So I've asked Sherry to share with us today a little bit about her courses. So Sherry, if you could start us out by helping the event planner who may be new to you, has not worked with you before and is wondering, what does Sherry talk about? Help us understand a little bit about the topic area you speak in and give us a high-level view, if you could, of each of your courses.
Vanessa, my presentations have come from a very exciting career in dental hygiene. I have done research in global oral health trends and more specifically in the cultural risk habits of oral cancer. And that doesn't mean just in Asia where I did it, but also in the rest of the world. And what that has done is being able to help patients and other oral health providers to understand the link between oral cancer and cultural habits for patients that actually come to their own practices. So it's not your typical oral cancer presentation. It's a very, very unique niche of understanding and connecting with the patient on a very personal level and saying, I know about your social and your cultural practices and how that can detrimentally affect your oral health. So it comes from a very unique aspect. And then you asked also about the revolutionary technology and the ultrasonics presentations that I do as well. Sometimes we do them together. Sometimes it's just a half a day. But the link is really unique too, because how do we take care of patients? And when we are so busy doing diagnostics and what kind of therapies are the best and what kind of prevention that really empower us as hygienists and help us in our career long term. Knowing those products that are available to us right up to date helps to empower us. And then when I talk about the presentation on ultrasonics, I talk about the sonics, talk about Cavitron, and then also about piezoelectrics. Which one actually can help us in our periodontal therapy to really provide a good service for our patients, and letting them know that we are at the top of our game and that we want to really help them with their oral health.
Thank you so much for that overview. And as you're talking, I'm thinking about how this really offers an opportunity for the event planner who might want to bring you in for a full day and maybe break it up, kind of mix and match. I'm assuming you probably do that frequently.
Yes, it works very well, actually.
Awesome. And I know we've mentioned the hygienist multiple times here, but is that typically who your attendee is? Or could you tell us more about who are your presentations really geared toward?
Because I've got life experiences of actual videos from around the world and different experiences, it doesn't only come from an oral hygiene position, but also from a business aspect, from the dental aspect. Actually, the whole office can really experience and enjoy these kind of presentations. They need to know what an awareness of oral cancer is all about. So it's not just cultural habits, but it's also lifestyle factors that are changing and increasing around the world so that they're more knowledgeable as well. And they can help their own families and then also help our patients in keeping their oral health perfect.
Wonderful. Really important a topic, especially on the cultural habits. I think probably something that many people don't know about.
No.
So before we wrap up our session, is there something or anything that we haven't covered that would be important for the event planner to know about working with you or about your presentations?
There's a little bit of reference charts that I can help the attendees so that they have something to take home with them for some of the presentations. But I think the major thing is just becoming more motivated, knowing that you've got something unique to be able to go back to your work and actually have a little bit more knowledge about oral health trends and what's going on in the world, and being able to help your career to just give that a little bit of a jump start so that it increases your own professional ability to feel good about your career and longevity as a dental health professional.
So there's definitely a motivation aspect to this too. So that's fabulous.
Mm-hmm.
Well, Sherry, thank you so much for sharing with us today and for being here.
Thanks, Vanessa.
And for the event planner who would like more information on working with Sherry, you will find other videos available at dentalspeakersbureau.com where Sherry dives deeper into each of those courses. You'll find full course descriptions and learning objectives, as well as her contact information where you can contact her directly. Or you can email me, info@dentalspeakersbureau.com, and I'd be happy to connect you with Sherry Prevey. So thanks again for tuning in to The Buzz, and until next time, be well.